the first time I encountered the environment movement and got drafted into the environment movement was in 1973, back in Nairobi, by a group of activists, mostly from the north, who had come to Nairobi because the United Nations had just decided to create, after the Stockholm Conference, an organization, a program called the United Nations Environment Program that would be headquartered in Nairobi. And these enthusiasts came to Nairobi because they wanted to ensure that the new body would follow the principles that had been agreed on in Stockholm. A person who had come from California, Mr. Huey Johnson, who became a close ally and continues to work for the environment even to this day. His organization, the Resource Renewal Institute, continues to do a lot of work, and in fact that organization is represented here at Copenhagen. It is with a lot of pride that, Mr. Secretary General, I accept this award and this recognition and this mandate. I have been working for the environment for over 3 decades now, but I was not official. Now I am official. As I go around the world, I will hold this title with pride, with determination, and wherever I go, I will do my best to be a good representative of the goals and objectives of the United Nations. It gives me extra energy and extra commitment, and it makes me walk very tall as a messenger of peace for the United Nations. Thank you.